Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful necklace out of polymer clay. The next step after we've rolled our beads is we're going to take our poker and we're going to make the different holes. Now you don't have to use what I use this, corn husk holder. You can use anything you want that's preferably metal and hard. A nail works really well, just a regular old nail. So you're going to pick up your bead and you're going to look at it and see if it looks a little bit longer to one side, and you are going to make the hole on the opposite of the long side, because when you make the hole it's going to change the shape slightly, and if you push in on the opposite side then it'll even out. There we go. That's it. You go in once and it made a nice little hole. Now, if you're working for a while with a tool and it starts to get stuck inside of the beads because you're building up Fimo on the poking device, what you're going to want to do is maybe get some olive oil from the kitchen and just do a little dab of oil on the poker, and that's going to make it so that the Fimo doesn't stick.